honey bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? I am so excited, guys. We're going to start the Halloween series today. So for those of you who have been sending me messages and asking me what's going on with the Halloween series, I'm a little bit late on it, but that's okay. We're going to catch up, I promise. Today we're going to do the very first video of the series, and we're going to be embellishing some really fun Dollar Tree garlands, okay? I wanted this video to be a little bit kind of like easy going. I didn't want it to be super duper long, and I thought that this would be perfect to do as the #1 video for the series, okay? So, by the way, thank you so much for all your wonderful a lot of you guys have been sending me messages and have been emailing me and asking me if I'm okay, what's going on, you know, is my health okay, because I haven't done a lot of videos recently, and I'm okay. Thank you so much for your wonderful kind words and messages. I'm doing fine. I am perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with me. I'm very healthy, thank God, and everything is okay with me. I've just been a little bit busy. I haven't done a lot of videos for you guys because I've been a little bit doing other things and just, you know, very hectic with what's going on right now. But I did want to let you guys know that I am absolutely fine, and thank you so much for caring so much about my health. So with that being said, my lovely crafty friends, let's get crafting. Okay, so we are going to be making some really fun embellishments for the garland that we're going to create. And really, we're not really making any embellishments, to be honest with you, because what I'm using to embellish these garlands are the same thing that we probably use in the last 3 series of Halloween, which is these wonderful stickers that we get at the Dollar Tree. This one has the witch hat and the witch boots. They've been out in the Dollar Tree for, I would say, probably like 3 years back to back. So every year these come out, and every year I purchase them. So I separated them here with the hat and then the booties. I made some bows off camera, and then I added some like little like blings over here to attach to the garland. Okay, so let me show you really quickly what I have here. I did this off camera already because I wanted to do 2 garlands for the office. This one is already complete, but I wanted to show you. They do come like this. If you get them at the Dollar Tree, you'll find that they look like this. They're really simple and plain, which it's perfectly fine if you like it like that. But you guys know me, I like to bling everything up. So what I did was I just added some really fun embellishment to the garland to make it fun. Now, this is the one that I have here. And as you can see here, it comes in 2 parts. This is the Halloween part to it, okay? It's probably not big enough for me to put it on camera, but this is the Halloween part and this is the happy part. So it's Happy Halloween. What I did here is, as you can see here, on some of the words or letters, you had cats, you had a spider, you had a ghost, and you had a bird. And I basically just embellished the little animals. I embellished the cat with a cute little Dollar Tree sticker, and then some bows, some googly eyes. You guys know me, I love my googly eyes. I did the same thing with the spider. I did the same thing with the bird right here. And then I did the same thing with the happy part. You have a ghost and you have a cat. So that's basically what I did. And then I also added some other knickknacks to it. So we're gonna do the same thing with another garland that I have here that I also purchased from the Dollar Tree. And we're going to work on this little skeleton one right here, which I thought it was adorable for the office. I also picked up the ghost that they also had. And maybe we'll do something with this later on in the series. But for now, we're going to work on the garland. This is going to be a super easy, literally, super easy project. I'm not doing really much of anything except just adding little embellishments here and there to these adorable skeletons that we have here. That's literally all we're doing. So make sure you find the right side of your garland, because that can be a little bit tricky if you don't. And lined up your skeletons so that you can embellish them as you can. So right here we have these adorable little skeletons, as you can see there. Let me see if I can move these things out of the way, because they're not really in frame how I would like them to be. So that's better, see? So you have these cute, adorable little skeletons. They're so cute. I'm not going to do all of these, okay guys? Because this is going to take forever to do, obviously. So I'm not going to embellish every single one of these. What I'm going to do is I'm going to probably just embellish, let's see here. We're going to embellish these 4 right here, okay? And then what I'm going to do is you guys are just going to basically get the idea of embellishing them, and then you can continue embellishing the rest off. Well, I'm going to continue embellishing the rest off camera, but this is just to give you an idea of how I'm embellishing these adorable cuties. So I have here the Dollar Tree hats, sticker hat, like the Dollar Tree witch hats sticker that I want to use on my adorable little skeletons. So what I'm going to do is I'm just basically going to add these witch hats to the skeletons, just like so. As you can see here, you can add them sporadically if you want, however you want. Just like that. That's super cute. You see that? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hot glue these onto the skeleton. So my recommendation is, because the skeleton has these little string that's going through it holding the skeleton, try not to glue directly onto the string that's holding your skeleton, just in case you need to like adjust your skeleton on the wall. You don't want to disturb this part of the garden, okay? So I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue to my hat, and I'm going to tilt my hat like this onto my little skeleton. And I'm going to do the same thing with the rest of these. Now, for those of you who've noticed, I don't have the baby glue gun. I have the big mama right here. I don't know why. I have tons of the baby glue gun upstairs in my attic, but for some reason I wanted to work with this one. I know this is a really dangerous one because it gets super duper hot, and I'm so clumsy. So I'm sure before this series is over, I will be burning my fingers at least one time on camera. So just wait for that to happen, right? But yeah, I'm using the big one right now. I don't know why. I was just pulled to use this one, and so I'm just going with the flow right now. Okay, very good. So now that we have our little hats on a little skeleton, very simple. That's just a simple thing to do, but it makes it look so much more better, right? So much more fun. So the only other thing that I think I want to do with this is basically add a cute little bow to the neck of the skeleton, and that's why I made these little bows in advance, so we can do that. So let's add these adorable little bows to the skeleton, and I'm going to add one bow per skeleton. And I am going to change them around because I have oranges and I also have the black and white. Now, For those of you who don't know, I get these twines at Michael's. I love them. During Halloween, they have these orange. Actually, during Halloween and fall, they have the orange and black, and I am obsessed with these twines. But you can also get the orange ones that they also have. And worst comes to worst, if you can't find this, or you can't you can't get these for some reason because the colors are a little bit difficult to find, especially around the fall, then go to the Dollar Tree and get yourself the natural color one and make yourself some bows. No big deal. It's even more cheaper to do this because you get 2 of these, or I think 3 in one pack. So it's even better. So don't go crazy, okay? And if you don't have any of those things at home, then just get ribbon, make a cute little bow, glue it down, and there you go. Okay? So let's continue adding these adorable little bows to my little skeleton. I was thinking of adding actually buttons to the skeleton, but then I said, I thought bows would be cute too, so I'm sticking with the bows for now. I thought the bows would look cuter. All right, so now we have the bows all glued down. Beautiful. The next thing we're gonna do is we're going to add some, oh, where did that bow go? This bow did not glue down properly. I think I pulled it by mistake. I may have yanked it by mistake. Let's see, is that glued down? Yes, okay. Beautiful. Now, the few other things that I want to do is I'm going to add some spiders to these adorable little skeletons. And what I thought is I probably would add a spider perhaps maybe on the hand, because they look like they're kind of reaching out, right? Like this one is kind of reaching down, this one is kind of reaching up, this one is kind of reaching in the middle, and then this one is kind of doing like this, like you can't see me, but out. So I thought maybe we can actually add some skeleton, the skeleton holding some of these spiders in the hand. So I thought that would be fun. So let's do that. So for this one, I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue to my spider. And I'm going to add a spider onto the hand on this side right here. For this one, I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to change it around. And let's see. Actually, no, I'm going to skip this one. No, why not? We'll put the hand, we'll put it up here. We'll put the spider on this side up here. For this one. Right there. And then for this one, we're going to put the spider on this side right here. And then I need another spider for this one. And I think I'm going to use an orange one. And I'm going to put this orange one. Right on this hand. Actually, hold on. I do also have this one that I can use. We'll do that. We'll put this one on this hand. Maybe this way. Okay. And that's not so bad. That I like the way that looks. It looks nice, okay? So I think that I'm going to, the only other thing that I really wanted to do is I wanted to add some buttons to the middle of the little bows that I made here. But I'm not sure if I want to do that, or I want to add something different to it. Let's see, if we add some buttons, let's do that. Let's add some cute little buttons to the middle of the bow, and then we're going to call it a day. Obviously, if you want to keep adding more things to your adorable little embellishment, you can, okay? You can. But remember what I said, this is going to be a simple, easy project, and I don't want to go too in-depth with decorating this because I want to start slow. But I think these turned out so cute. Let's see here. Let's use this button. Do we have another one? Let's see. We can use this one. Right in the middle. And then I have one more to put here. And then we're done. And then we're done. And there you go. Now, if you want to add more stuff, you're welcome to, obviously. But this is what I'm going to do for now. Mine is a simple but adorable looking little garland. I really love the way this looks because it's simple but it's pretty at the same time. And that's basically what I'm going to do. I'm not going to do anything else anymore. I have to continue to do the rest of the garland. I will do that off camera. But for the moment, this is what we have going on here, okay? This adorable little garland, which I think it turned out super duper cute for what we did and for what we have. And you can always go back and just keep adding more little embellishment to it if you want. It's up to you. But I mean, as you can see here, it's just, it looks super duper adorable. Okay, that's the white one that we did. And this is the black one. This is another one that's white. And then this is another black one that we did. I mean, they look adorable. They look adorable. They look super duper cute. And they're definitely going to look really fun on a wall. So if you guys want to see the finished look to this adorable garland, make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account should be linked somewhere in this video or in my main page, so that you can see how this looks, how the finished look would be. And we'll probably put I probably will take a picture of it hanging on the wall somewhere in the office so you can see how it looks. But for now, my love, that is what we did. I hope that you guys enjoyed this really short video, and I cannot wait to make more awesome videos for you guys. I'm super excited. Thank you all so much for being such a wonderful supportive group, and I really appreciate you guys a lot. I thank you so much for all your wonderful support, and I will see you guys on my next video. Be safe and take care. Bye, honey bunnies.